What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. In my life, a lot of struggles that I face, but I'll overcome.
And we are the victory.
For Yeshua is the victorious one. My life,
Pick up yourself to all the overcomers.
a lot of struggles that I face.
Viewers, subscribers, right about now, NEWLINK, I go tell you all this, my people. Well, viewers and subscribers, this song right now, plus music video, you all need to see this one. You all need to watch this one, because I'm telling you, my viewers and subscribers, basically right now, this is the song to lead the people them. Well, people, I'm going to tell you about these three artists that is included in this project, right? The title of this one is called, people, Victorious One. From the artists Elijah Mashiach, Gabriel and Elisha. Well, my people, I'm telling you about these names, because basically these are some African names, and I'm telling you, my people, these artists in this project, oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK, is one of the most beautifulest thing I ever heard, people, because the message where these men are preach, and the message where their money are sent to the youths, them at Jamaica, and if you know how Jamaica stay right now. But I'm not just talking about Jamaicans, people, because this is spreading the word right all over the world. So the people need to follow these artists. Yeah, I'm telling you, people, you all need to subscribe to their Vivo channel. You all need people to follow them, because what they are doing, and they are leading the people to the right direction. No joke. Well, my viewers and subscribers, this was done from the production label N0W Records, and I'm telling the people, it's a great project. The man them, yo, people, the video alone can tell you. You can see in this video, people, there is kids, you understand, children in the background singing like a choir, and the costume and everything, all the thing well organized and put together, and the way how they write the scripts and deliver this thing, people. I'm telling you, you all need to watch the full thing. But what I'm going to do so great for you, my people, I'm going to leave the link right below in the description. There you can just click easily on that link, and it will lead you right over there on their channel, and you can watch the full thing, people. And I'm telling you, you're going to watch the full thing. I know you will, and I know you will subscribe. But what I'm saying, people, please also comment over there and let them know that the attacking boss NEWLINK send you over. I'm telling you, this project, people, I'm telling you this, people, you know, so NEWLINK always recommend good things to you all, because we are the attacking boss. Well, from the artists again, Elijah Mashiach, people, Gabriel and Elisha, Victorious One, people, you all need to watch it. Remember, check below in the description. It is so powerful, and I know some people will be delivered today. Remember, Yahweh, NEWLINK tell you that. Attack!